Look at that.
It's so cute. It's so cute.
Look, they have their own little barn you can carry them in.
They're so
Or stable, I guess it is.
Mom, they're so cute, Mom.
They are so cute. Special for you from Grandmom and Grandpa.
I love them. I sleep with all of these.
Okay.
I sleep with these, and this one.
Sounds good, baby.
I love them. Love them, love them.
We'll have to call Grandmom and Grandpa and tell them thank you.
Can me put these back in the barn?
Sure.
I have fruit.
What does that say?
Can
Can you open that card for her?
Uh-huh. Because she can